I just started this YouTube and I wanted to introduce myself. My name's Kayla and I love to read, I love to write, I love arts and crafts, and that's what I'm going to share on here with you. Just projects around my house and my favorite hobbies, maybe like some skincare routines, maybe like nutritional advice. I'm a certified SAM practitioner and a certified nutritional health coach, so I do have the qualifications to teach. If that's something that would interest you, please follow, give me a like, share it with your bestie who is obsessed with all natural, hippie, cottagecore Victorian vibes. I'm here to romanticize my life and to not feel so alone anymore. I've been on this journey for quite a long time, and I don't think that I'm gonna find anybody like me for a while, so I want to reach out to others who also feel alone and who feel like they have nobody or nobody sees them. I want to be your friend, and I want to say that I see you, and you are a special person, and you deserve everything in the whole wide world. There is nothing about you that is a flaw. Today, I just woke up and I'm feeling a little grumpy. It's currently rainy and very cloudy, and I feel very sad. I recently just had an unfortunate event happen to me, a personal event, and so I'm recouping from that. And that was another thing where I was like, oh, I might be getting another friend, but it didn't turn out that way. It turned out the opposite. It was a horrible experience, so I'm just getting over that now, and I'm doing a lot of resting. I have some important things to do today, so why don't you come and join me?